My spoken English is very weak. When I speak, people laugh at my English.
Oh, Anna, don't feel sad. Everyone starts with mistakes. Even I made many mistakes in the beginning.
Really? But when people laugh, I feel nervous. I stop speaking.
Hmm, I understand. But remember, if you stop speaking, you will never improve. Mistakes are normal.
Maybe you are right, but sometimes I say wrong words and people say, "Oops, what is she talking about?"
That's funny. But listen, even Americans make mistakes in English sometimes. You don't have to be perfect.
David, when you were learning, did people also laugh at you?
Yeah, of course. I remember one day I wanted to say I am hungry, but I said I am angry. Everyone laughed. Haha.
Wow, really? That's so funny. But didn't you feel bad?
I felt a little shy, but then I laughed too. I told myself, it's okay. At least I am learning.
Ah, I wish I could also feel like that, but my confidence is low.
Don't worry, Anna. Confidence will come step by step. Just speak every day, even small sentences.
Like what sentences?
Simple ones. For example, I am Anna. I live in New York. I like pizza. Today is sunny. Easy, right?
Oh, yes, easy. I can say that. I am Anna. I live in New York. I like pizza. Today is sunny.
Yay. Perfect. See, you can speak English. And look, I am not laughing at you. I am happy.
Thank you, David. You make me feel better.
Let's practice in a real place. Now we are in a coffee shop. What do you want to order?
I want one coffee and one cookie.
Excellent. That's correct. Now say it again with more confidence.
I want one coffee and one cookie.
Wow, that was great. You sound confident.
Really? It was easy.
Exactly. Speaking English is like riding a bike. First, it feels difficult, but after practice, it becomes easy.
I think you are right. Maybe I should practice small sentences every day.
Yeah, that's the secret. Practice small, simple sentences. Don't try to be perfect, just speak. Let's practice in a real place. Now we are in a coffee shop. What do you want to order?
I want one coffee and one cookie.
Excellent. That's correct. Now say it again with more confidence.
I want one coffee and one cookie.
Wow, that was great. You sound confident.
Really? It was easy.
Exactly. Speaking English is like riding a bike. First, it feels difficult, but after practice, it becomes easy.
I think you are right. Maybe I should practice small sentences every day.
Yeah, that's the secret. Practice small, simple sentences. Don't try to be perfect, just speak.
Today I learned one thing. People may laugh, but if I keep speaking, I will improve.
Correct. And remember, laughter is not always bad. Sometimes people laugh because mistakes are funny, not because they hate you.
That makes me feel better. Thank you, David. David, I feel nervous to speak in the grocery store. What if I say wrong words?
Don't worry. Just try simple sentences. I will help you.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
Milk is in aisle number 5.
Oh, thank you so much.
Wow, you did it! That was perfect English.
Yay! I spoke English and nobody laughed.
See? You just needed to try. Small victory.
David, now let's try out the bus stop. Sometimes I don't know how to ask for the ticket.
Easy. You can say 1 ticket to downtown, please. Try it.
1 ticket to downtown, please.
Here you go. That will be $3.
Here's $5.
Oops, I don't have $2 change. Do you have smaller bills?
No, only 5.
Don't worry, I have $3. Here, sir.
Thank you. That was close. I felt nervous, but I said the sentence.
Yeah, you were great. And don't worry about the money part. That happens to everyone.
David, now I want to try speaking with friends. But what if they laugh?
Even if they laugh, just laugh with them. Say, and continue. Don't stop.
Hello, Lisa. How are you today?
I'm good, Anna. How about you?
I'm fine. Today is very sunny. And I am happy.
Wow, your English is improving, Anna. Good job.
Today, I spoke English in the coffee shop, the grocery store, the bus stop, and with a friend. Wow, that's a big day for me.
Yeah. See how much you can do when you try? You didn't stop. You spoke.
But sometimes I still feel shy.
Shy is normal. Confidence grows slowly, like a plant. Every day you water it, and it grows stronger.
Nice example. I will remember that.
And don't forget, mistakes are teachers. They teach you new things. Every oops moment is a lesson.
Yes, I had many oops moments today.
Me too. But we laughed, we learned, and we enjoyed.
Friends, I want to say something. If your spoken English is weak, don't worry. People may laugh, but just keep speaking.
Yeah. Speak every day. Use simple sentences. Practice with friends, in the store, at the bus stop, anywhere.
I feel more confident now. My English is still not perfect, but I am not afraid.
Wow. That's the spirit. Confidence first, fluency next.
Yay! I will keep practicing. And you, friends, practice with me too.